Let's continue to crochet a little shape, and now we'll make the head. The pattern is very simple and we've already made it many times. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, a slip stitch in the first loop, and a chain. In the second round we make 6 increases. 2 single crochets in one loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch, a chain. In the third round we make increase and 1 single crochet in the next loop and repeat. Increase. In the third round we make increase and 1 single crochet in the next loop and repeat. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, and continue till the end of the round. In the next round we make 2 single crochets and increase in the third loop and repeat. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and go on. In the next round we make increase and 3 single crochets. And repeat. Increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, and continue. And in the next round we make 2 single crochets, increase, and 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Increase, 1, 2, 3, 4. Increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, and go on. Now we have 36 loops in a round, and we make the next 6 rounds without changes for 36 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 34, 35, 36. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round, we start to make decreases. 6 decreases with 4 single crochets between them in this round. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, and continue till the end of the round. Then we make decrease, and 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and repeat. Decrease, 1, 2, 3, and go on. There are 6 decreases with 2 single crochets between them in the next round. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, and repeat. And in the last round, we make decrease and 1 single crochet, decrease, 1 single crochet, and continue till the end of the round. A slip stitch in the end, a chain, and leave the long end on the thread to sew the head to the body. Now we sew the eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we embroider a nose. The face is ready and we'll continue to crochet the head in the next part.